You want to know how I made these 3 delicious juices using all natural fruits and ingredients? Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if health is your wealth, this video is for you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different juices to make, and then I'm going to let you guys know what each is good for, and I'm going to show you how I make them, the ingredients that go in each, and I'm going to show you the process of how I make and strain and, you know, purify my juices and all of that. So without further ado, let's hop into this. So here in this big beautiful box I have about $50 worth of fruits and veggies, mostly fruits though. I have apples, oranges, ginger. I'm just going to show you guys everything I do, and I'm going to separate it into 3 recipes. So first up is the first recipe, which is going to be apple, carrot, and ginger. So for this first recipe, I'm using apple, carrot, and ginger. So these are the apples I'm going to be using. These apples are Fuji apples. I'm going to be using Fuji apples, 2 lemons, 1 lime, small ginger root, and carrot. When I'm cutting the apples, I don't remove the skin. You can remove the skin if you like to. I'm not going to remove the skin of the carrots too. I'm just going to wash them off really good. Now that all my apples are done, I'm going to wash off my carrots. These are unbagged carrots. I bought these loose carrots because they seemed more organic looking and more just real. Like, look at this one. And this one would have never made it into a bag, so I got these instead. So the carrots, I'm taking them, I'm cutting them off the top, and then I'm going to cut in the center. Okay, and then with the lemon, I'm not peeling the ginger, but with the lemons, I'm going to peel around, and then that'll be it, and we'll be ready to go into the juicer. Alright, let's go to the juicer now. Okay, so I have this strainer. It's not going to be full of stuff, but I have this strainer that's going to strain the first time, and I'm putting it into this bowl with the little spout on it so it'll be easier to transfer to my containers. And this is my juicer. This is the Hamilton Beach juicer, and we're going to get some stuff working on it. I start to see that my strainer is getting clogged up. This is what I do. I take a spoon and I just push the rest of the pulp through there. This thing initially catches a lot of pulp, which is good because my strainer doesn't do the best job. So I'm using this, I'm straining it through, trying to get every last bit of juice. And then this is all pulp. You can say this could be like apple juice, or you can just throw it away, which is what I do because I don't have anything to store it with. As next step, I'm going to take my strainer and I'll put it on top of the bowl. And then I have coffee strainers I'm putting on either side of the filter to cover up the whole filter. Now this is going to be a very slow filter, but it's going to remove a lot of pulp. Even though it's not going to come through, we're going to pull the coffee strainer and I'm just going to show you. So what's happening is the heavier parts of the pulp, with the heavier parts of the juice, aka the pulp, are trying to get down to the coffee filter, and whenever we pull the filter, it's going to pull the pulp with them. So a bit of a sciencey moment. I felt pretty smart when I found this out myself. But this is about how slow it's dripping. Like, it's not going very fast, but this, I'm taking this time to, you know, clean up and set up for the next juice. So this is what I'm talking about when I just say, I just pull it, and we got the pulp here, and the juice is all strained. So all it is going to, it's not frothy anymore, it's just straight juice. It has a little bit of pulp, but not nearly as much as we started with. This next juice, I have beets, mango, apples, lime, lemon, and then I also have ginger and a turmeric root in there. Now let's get juicy. Okay, you guys, so for this last juice, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. And this one I'm actually gonna name the sweet tart. I'm using ginger, 1 lemon, 3 limes. We want it to be sweet and kind of tart. 1 lemon, 3 limes. Some grapes. Oranges. These are Mineola oranges. I don't know, oranges. And apple. So that's all that's going in there, and we're gonna cut that up and I'll be back. Alright, this one is called the sweet tart. It has oranges, ginger, apple, oranges, ginger, apple, and grapes. And lemon and lime, of course. So, we're gonna get this one done, and this is the last juice of the day. And it's raining outside.